up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Umlibo and welcome back to Utopia and Black Podcast.
You know what it is, you know
Yeah,
what it is.
I'm here with Mpe.
Tell me it's Mabaso, aka Ice, the ice that never melts, you know what it is. Tell them why we're here.
Yeah, so we are here because of TUT Festival. So, it's new today, so.
Too much. We're just waiting for more to come. We're just waiting for more answers. We have Unaleki on the lineup. We have Market Monsters. We have Ucheneras Mamane, so you know what it is.
I'm looking forward to talk to Ubi because, you know, man, like, no, she's dope, you know?
Yeah. But then let's hope she comes and talk to us. You know what it is. So please stay tuned. Make sure you pull up. Because today, TUT Festival. If you're not here, then you're lost. Stop being sorry to say.
It should be like we told you, it should be like giants. So I'm here with Tribute Battalion. I'm here with
Nkosi Afazungu lo member ye Tribute Battalion le
and
Masiya lona member ye Battalion first day lo.
Hey Chief, what's your name?
Samngelo lo ngibeza ngakanda police station.
So yes, I saw you performing on stage. So I want to know, Uguchi, how is it to perform in front of such a loud crowd? Yabo?
Akubona ithethe ngoba asiqali into esijoyene. Ubalo nje engathini asibi nalo
Batshele
naloko no matter engabe bese crowd incane kangakanani, as long as ukhona ingoma ne speaker, anything is possible.
Powerful way.
Amagama amancane ajabula ukuthi perform 8 ngaka wela khona nama artists amakhulu
Sure.
afana perform like local yabo no mehlo.
Powerful way.
Yeah, first justice umuntu besitapho ukuthi as a Tribute Battalion I think April singayenzanga something like Italian show yabo, so sifuna bonke abafundi baseDUT bakwazi ukuveza amakhono abo, so salo communicate kahle zonke izinto, so sibona ke khona.
I want to know, from all of you guys, man, which one is getting the most hearts? Yabo? Who's smashing the most?
Smashing like Baba, a shack deal. No sex before marriage.
These guys are fucking with us. Get out of here. Otherwise.
What's happening? It's your boy Ice, the ice that never melts, and right here with me, the better General Smamane, the home king. What you know about that? Mr. Smamane was going to put a album, boys. Soon enough, bro. Maybe around July, June, maybe it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Yeah, what type of features can we expect? Oh shit. We could expect some piano artists. We got K-Max. We got hip hop star Usimamane as my bro. I got Beats. I got OK Malum. Yeah. Some Malums and then many more. But it's still exclusive. Yes, you know. So what can we expect from you in the event? I was all Jalaganjani, save the best for last. Save the best for last. Those really see now what's a TUT Fest. You know what it is. We ain't wasting no time. Special generally, who's just traveling, who's just dancing. When you get people who have to make a send, make a man. Let's go!
I love the time my darling. When I stop, I need pressure. It's all about love.
ladies and gentlemen, we told you, Ziyakhala, Ziyashuba, Lalela. We're here with one and only Unaleti Aphiwe. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm going to go to Brown, eh? So, bro, we saw you performing. Please tell us, how was the experience?
It was a good experience. Cutting at actually, cutting at green alana. It's a winning because singing located and I Joburg. I'm there to the vibe, there to the crowd, there to there to yo. These minutes we are there, recognize. So this
Come on, bro, let's do international and get about course. Alright, so we saw you doing a music video. I don't know if it was a music video or it was real. Yeah, but, so please clear to us rumors about when Anoma Welele.
My name is Tanasami. Yeah, he's the man, he's my boyfriend. Yeah, he wanted my messaging out here, inshallah.
Are you guys getting married?
No, not yet. I'm a dreams work. Yeah.
Italy?
Oh, it was the music video actually.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it was the music video.
No man, thank you for this, man.
Okay.
Nice one, eh?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mthobiso Kababa aka Isaac, you know, Mshonozi la uzuma ungamalala indoda enamakhanda amabili. But Mshonozi, what can you expect the album? So it's all an album ithoba.
Ngenyanga ezayo. Siphize nje siyaphusha siyapheka nomunye umsholozi uKabza Small.
Kabza Small
sohlanganisa nje ezayo nomlilo. Yapha nje from next month nje expect music omningi. Hayi from uzuma kuphela from Mshini Entertainment nje uwo.
Mshini Entertainment. So amarodo sazoyibona collaboration amarodo or
uthemba kanjani?
Mfethu?
Amarodo wenu nje.
Awethu siyafisa ukwabona back mfethu.
Kuleke.
John siyabonga performance brilliant mfethu. Sithola uhambe kahambe nenkosi.
Yabo.
Utopia!
Guys, you best believe Sun City that's getting lit. We have here Uzi from Soweto. So I have just two questions for you. It's on the stage now. How's the experience? Is it your first time to be here in Durban?
Yeah, this is my first time in Durban.
And how's the experience? Durban?
Shem, yes, Baza, Shem. I'm playing. It was lit, guys. Everybody was just going. Yeah, totally.
So, like, tell us, like, from Soweto, how was it like to come up, because now like you have hits after hits. How was it?
I can't explain how it was because it was too complicated and all, but I could say, Gucci, I'm here because of my hard work and I'm still working hard and everything I'm doing is all hard work. So it was hard, it's been hard, but yeah, we're getting there.
What of the day?
Anginayo Shem.
Aybo.
Lento obeliever ukuthi right yet.
Powerful words from Usisinte. So guys, please stay tuned. Usisinte, follow her on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You don't have Facebook, eh? All right. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
We are back. We never left. Swenoba, Beasting, unjani wangibani insingenile mfethu ukuthi best mfethu kanjani matcha bathini ngimnandi mfethu ngiyaqala iperformance oshayile lapha stage ayisihlangile mfethu mfethu ngicela ukubuza ke mina ukuthi can we expect any album kulo nyaka?
Yeah, Showcase actually hip hop album yami ina 3 parts. Okay, igama la Chef Beast inama starters ine main course ine dessert.
Sure.
Ama starters 12 tracks aphuma mhla 11 April.
You heard it.
Showcase. So yeah, we got the likes of about Tony Taimane, about Tripod, about Chad Amo, about Mtunzi, about just to name a few. But yeah, 11 April 2025, yaphuma part 1 starters and then Zolindi Data part 2 main course, net dessert.
Full hip hop. Exactly. Siyabonga bese Moses entertain namhlanje kwethu ezikleti. We hope to see you next time, my brother.
Ngajabula kakhulu.
Nkosi kubusise.
Salute.
Lalela. So okay, last time ngicela ukumention uPuntshwayiza. Akusepho Puntshwayiza ngiyacela ukuthi invite leBuddha on your fucking podcast. We want to hear some bars.
Shout out to
We want to hear some shit. Shout out to the Twice Show. Nkosi kubusise futhi.
Correct.